Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is the March edition of the Pinspiration Collaboration. It is hosted by Creations by Kimber, and I will have the link for her channel as well as all the other crafty ladies down below in the description box. So for today, what I did for my Pinterest crafty idea is this zigzag album. I have the link down below in the description box if you want to learn how to make or go watch the video that I watched for this. I will do just a short little tutorial after I show you this completed project that will show you how to make the base of this, and then you can go ahead and decorate it however you'd like to decorate it. So for mine, I decided to go with an Easter theme, and I had this collection from last year, and it is an Echo Park collection. I believe I got it at the Scrapbook Expo, but I think they also sold these at Tuesday Morning. It's called, what is it called? Well, Happy Easter. Hey, there you go. And it's an adorable collection. I had used several pieces of it and had just like 2 pieces of paper left, some of the stickers and cut aparts. So I decided I would just make this to kind of try and use up some of the collection. There's still a little bit left in here, so this might be enough to make like a pocket letter or something like that. But that's what I used. And then the base, I used some turquoise paper or cardstock. I think it was 110 pound paper, but you definitely don't need 110 pounds. You can use just regular cardstock because you're layering on both sides. So I'll go ahead and show this to you. It's tied up with some of this turquoise ribbon. That's what it looks like on the back. And just pull this open, and it folds out in a zigzag formation. And that's what it looks like, totally folded out there. Super cute little mini album, or you can use it just to fill with tags and things. That's kind of what I did here, but the tags you can use to put pictures on. You can make envelopes or just use little clear cellophane bags and add like die cuts or embellishments or things like that for a Happy Meal. This looks complicated, but actually all I did was add pockets and belly bands on the pockets to have little tucks and things like that. So that part of it's not really that difficult. I just did alternating patterns all the way through, kind of tried to tie each page with another page. I did the background a different paper than what the actual pocket is. And then I just went in and added the die cuts. Like for this one here, I made a tuck with a die cut, and I made a little envelope with the paper. So I can add things in there. I added a sticker. Here's just a tag. On this, it is a pocket here, and there's just a cut apart in that pocket. And then here's a belly band, and I added 2 of the cut aparts in the belly band. And then here, there's a belly band on the front down here, and just a little tag. I added, these are stickers there. And then another tag in the pocket behind it. Here's just a small tag. This is just decoration, not belly band. Then I added 2 cut aparts in that pocket. And then if you turn it over on this side, here is just the same similar sized pocket as this side. I added decoration here, and then I cut apart and a little tag I embellished with stickers and ribbon. And I kind of tried to add ribbons that were kind of alternating, so when you look at it from the front, it just is nice visually. All right, the pockets are all about the same on each side. This one, the pocket is like right here, and I added cut apart with another little piece of the paper, and then this belly band across the pocket there, and I just put that cut apart in there. With this cut apart, I made it a little side pocket, so I put another cut apart and another little tag in there. And then in this pocket, I added another one of the cut aparts. And I think I'm going to trim a little bit off on the sides here because it's a little snug. I'll just leave that out for now. And then on this last one, the pocket is right here, the actual pocket on the page. So I made a tag. This is a little open booklet sort of thing. You could add papers in there if you wanted, but this, you could just add pictures, and that slips in there. And then in the belly band here, I added a tag and a cut apart. So you can totally deck this out as much as you want or as little as you want, whatever, it's up to you. I just love how the combination of the papers looks with everything, all the different colors and patterns. It's just a lot of fun. So hopefully you will stick around and I will show you how to make the base of this, and then you can have fun just decorating it with everything that you have in your stash. So to make the base of this project, you need 2 pieces of 8.5 by 11 paper, and you'll want to take each piece and cut them in half on the vertical side, making them 5.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. And then for one of them, you're going to cut 1/2 inch off the side of it, making it 5 inches wide. Now you need a scoreboard and a scoring tool. You're going to take the last 3 pieces and score it 1/2 inch in on one side. Now you want to take and just fold each one of those at the score mark, and then using I'm using red line tape, or you could use like the white strip of tape. You could use liquid glue if you'd like. It would just take a little bit longer. But what you're going to do is you're going to put your tape down on each of those areas where it's been folded, the little flap. And I put the tape on the inside of the flap, or the inside of the fold. Now you want to line up that 4th piece inside the fold there. Make sure it's lined up, and then you're going to peel off your top part and adhere that little flap onto the piece that does not have a score, the 5-inch wide piece. And then go ahead and take your bone folder and just crease it down really nice. Now holding that first section into a V, you're going to connect your one other of the pieces and go ahead and stick that one down. So now you have like a mountain fold or the start of your zigzag fold. Then you go ahead and add that last piece on the end to complete the zigzag. And then I just creased it down really good so that it sticks. And then opening it up, I tried to measure out where to make these, where to make the diagonal line go across, but in the end I just made a straight line going diagonally down. I did measure up, I believe it was 4 inches on the left side, and then I just kind of connected that going all the way across up to the far right corner. But these marks here don't actually end up working that I'm doing now. This doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you have it going straight in like a straight diagonal line all the way up to that corner, then it works fine. I believe the video that I watched to make this, she uses an A4 paper, I think is what she said, because I think she was in the UK. So the measurements were slightly different. So I just kind of made this my own. So after drawing the line, then you just need to take your scissors and cut all the way to the end, to that far right corner. And now you have the base of your little mini album. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.